What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car plastic restorer on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is 3D Trim Care Plastic Restorer. This trim care restorer is designed to bring back the original shine of faded plastic, rubber, trim, and bumpers. It works on exterior surfaces that have become dull due to weather exposure and regular use. The gel formula penetrates deep into the material, restoring its rich black color and improving the overall appearance of the vehicle. The non-greasy composition ensures that the surface does not feel sticky after application. It absorbs quickly and enhances the look of trims without leaving any residue. This restorer is suitable for various plastic and rubber surfaces, providing an even and polished finish. With a long-lasting effect, this product helps maintain the refreshed look for an extended period. It remains effective even after multiple washes, keeping the trims and bumpers in good condition. Regular application prevents fading and extends the life of the plastic components. This trim restorer is a great addition to any car maintenance routine. It revitalizes exterior trims, door panels, and bumpers, making them look clean and well-maintained. The easy-to-use formula makes the application process simple and hassle-free. Designed for durability, this product ensures that plastic and rubber surfaces stay protected against environmental elements. It helps maintain the car's exterior, preventing early deterioration and keeping it in top condition. Vehicle owners can rely on this restorer to enhance the overall appearance of their cars with minimal effort. In our list, the number 4 product name is Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. This plastic restorer is designed to improve the appearance of faded exterior trim and plastic surfaces. It helps restore the deep black color and shine, making the vehicle look well-maintained. The specialized formula enhances the surface while providing protection against harmful environmental elements. The application process is simple, allowing the product to absorb quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It works on non-painted plastic, trim, and other exterior components, delivering a lasting glossy finish. The treated areas remain clean and resistant to washing and rain, ensuring durability over time. With ultraviolet protection, this trim restorer helps prevent damage caused by prolonged exposure to sunlight. It reduces the risk of fading and cracking, extending the life of plastic and trim surfaces. Regular use keeps the vehicle looking fresh while maintaining its original appearance. Designed for long-lasting performance, this product ensures the treated areas remain in excellent condition. The deep black finish enhances the overall look of the vehicle, creating a well-polished and sleek exterior. It helps maintain the aesthetic appeal by preserving the richness of the plastic surfaces. This restorer is an essential addition to any car care routine. It works effectively on various plastic trims, making them look vibrant and refreshed. It is ideal for anyone looking to maintain the exterior without frequent reapplications. Vehicle owners can rely on this product to enhance and protect their car's trim for an extended period. In our list, the number 3 product name is Trinova Plastic and Trim Restorer. This trim restorer is designed to improve the look of faded plastic, rubber, and vinyl surfaces on vehicles. It helps restore the deep black color and shine, making the exterior appear well maintained. The formula enhances the surface while offering protection against environmental elements that cause fading and wear over time. The application process is simple, allowing the product to absorb quickly without leaving streaks or residue. It works on trim, bumpers, and other non-painted surfaces, delivering a lasting glossy finish. Treated areas remain resistant to rain, dirt, and salt, ensuring durability and long-term results. With a protective coating, this restorer helps safeguard against sun damage, preventing cracking and discoloration. It extends the life of plastic and rubber components, keeping them looking fresh and well-preserved. Regular use helps maintain the vehicle's appearance by preventing premature aging caused by exposure to the elements. This product is designed for convenience, making it easy to apply with the included applicator. The smooth formula spreads evenly, providing consistent coverage for an enhanced finish. It helps revitalize worn-out areas, giving them a darker, more refined look. Ideal for cars, trucks, and motorcycles, this restorer is an essential addition to any vehicle care routine. It keeps trim and plastic parts in excellent condition without the need for frequent applications. Vehicle owners looking to maintain a sleek and polished exterior can rely on this product to enhance and protect surfaces for an extended period. In our list, the number 2 product name is Chemical Guys VRP Vinyl. This detailing product is designed to enhance and protect vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces on vehicles. It helps restore a deep black color while providing a smooth shine that lasts. The formula creates a protective layer that shields surfaces from damage caused by extreme heat and environmental elements. The non-greasy composition ensures a clean finish without leaving a sticky residue. It is suitable for both exterior and interior surfaces, making it a versatile addition to any vehicle maintenance routine. Whether applied to trim, bumpers, tires, or plastic components, it delivers a long-lasting, refreshed appearance. This product is easy to apply, spreading evenly for consistent coverage. It dries quickly to prevent dirt and dust from sticking to treated areas. The advanced formula helps maintain a well-kept look while preserving the durability of surfaces exposed to sunlight and changing weather conditions. Regular use can prevent fading and staining caused by prolonged exposure to harsh environments. The water-based design ensures a smooth application without creating excess buildup. It works effectively on a variety of surfaces, making it an essential solution for vehicle owners who want to maintain a polished look. Ideal for cars, trucks, and other vehicles, this formula provides a professional-level finish without requiring excessive effort. It enhances the overall aesthetic while offering protection that keeps surfaces looking newer for longer. Vehicle owners looking for an effective way to maintain plastic and rubber components can rely on this product to provide a lasting shine with minimal upkeep. In our list, the number 1 product name is Meguiar Guys Plastic Restorer. This detailing solution is designed to restore plastic, rubber, and vinyl surfaces on vehicles, bringing them back to their original look. It helps protect surfaces from environmental elements while maintaining a fresh appearance for an extended period. The advanced formula ensures that treated areas stay clean without fading or streaking after rain. The product creates a strong barrier that repels water, preventing stains and discoloration. Unlike many other options, it does not leave an oily or greasy residue. It dries completely, making it easy to apply without causing a mess. This feature helps maintain the quality of detailing tools while delivering a professional-level finish. Designed for both interior and exterior use, it enhances the look of faded surfaces. The formula is made using advanced technology to ensure durability. With proper application, the results can last for several months, reducing the need for frequent reapplications. This restorer is ideal for vehicle owners who want a reliable solution for maintaining trim, bumpers, and other plastic parts. It works effectively in different weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting shine and protection. Regular use can help prevent aging and damage caused by exposure to the sun and harsh elements. Manufactured with high-quality standards, this product offers a user-friendly experience. It is created to deliver consistent results while preserving the original condition of treated surfaces. Vehicle owners looking for a dependable way to keep their cars looking new can benefit from this solution, which combines durability, ease of use, and long-term protection.